And so our heroes return to Operation Falling Star. Their mission, to seek out and destroy Dread's top secret experiment.
According to my database, we are headed to a shuttle designed for transporting Dread's high-value experiments.
Well, I'll give him this. He stays busy. Let's go see what he's been making.
Intruder detected. Intruder detected.
Set it off for the ship! Halt!
It's so shiny. Unauthorized ruritanium removal detected. Self-destruct sequence initiated.
This doesn't look good.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
Self-destruct in 20 seconds.
Come on!
Oh dear. Perhaps the trespasser will be useful here.
Doc, we got a little distracted. We're on it.
Attention scientists! Chairman Clank here. I just wanted to thank you for all of your hard work these last few months. I may be your leader, but I am nothing without the tenacious Blarg here and his weapon your crew will help mark the beginning of a glorious new era for our kind.
All available units, totally station.
It is brought to my attention. We may have an intruder at the facility. If you come across anyone who is not a Blarg, please feel free to kill them.
You're doing great, Ratchet. Keep going. I'll be with you every step of the... Oh, come on! He was out of bounds! Open your eyes, Ratchet!
Chairman Drek has been growing his own army.
Test pod deactivated. Test pod deactivated.
reminder that all projects, trials, and experiments are the property of Ratchet. I welcome all feedback. Should you disagree with it, feel free to voice your concern to one of the armed murderous warbots currently patrolling the halls. Before your safety.
Every block for him or her now! Captain, come in. It looks like Drake is still
It'll take more than a few bucks to scare off Captain Quark. Unless there are spiders. Are there spiders? No, I'll never get comfortable in this bed. Mission control, where I'm monitoring you from.
Subject 857P Echo. This is a friendly reminder that 857P Echo is not a pet, and should you be hot feeding it its next meal. You.
Attention intruder. You have entered the testing facility for a Blargian snaggle beast. Chairman Alonzo Drake thanks you for your sacrifice.
Captain, did you know Drake's secret project was a Blargian snaggle beast?
It is. I wonder why it wasn't in any of my intel. I was expecting something much less lethal. Don't worry. Just relax and remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me? Captain? Oh boy.
Ground pound protocol. We've lost control of the subject. Cranial implant. Nothing appears to have a conscience calling it to love. Let's move the neurotransmitter and see if we can add a few IQ points to this dimwit. I yield! Please don't hurt me!
Tell us what you had. Hang on.
Tell us what you know about Drek's plan.
Thanks. Yeah, what did he say?
I can give you this info bot.
You watch this one, pal. I'm just gonna take 5.
Greetings, Blarg imbeciles. If you're watching this infobot, You've been selected for the beta trial of my latest invention, the SK-81 Jetpack! Though initial testing had a few small setbacks, I'm happy to report that I worked out all of the kinks. Now you can use your SK-81 Jetpack to traverse the skies, giving you an advantage over those morons on the ground. The SK-81 Jetpack. Come pick yours up at our base on Gaspar.
Dr. Nefarious is not responsible for death, dismemberment, or irreparable injury to your central nervous system.
Captain, it's Ratchet. We just defeated the Snaggle Beast and found out what Drex is up to.
You did? But that's impressive.
Hey, I bet the Rangers could use jetpacks. Should we head to Gaspar and see if we can get some?
I've always wanted one of those. If you can get one, ours can build a few more for the Rangers. I hereby assign you the not at all deadly mission of acquiring one jetpack. Captain Quark must fly like a bird.
Be careful out there, pal.
What is that? How fortuitous. It is a Gadgetbot upgrade chip. My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots.
How you doing out there, Clank?
I just picked up a new gadget.
Oh man, what'd you get? You know you have to share whatever you found.
I think I will save these for me. Thank you. But there is still a prototype device nearby. I will collect it for you.
Oh, fine.
That was impressive. Ah, there they are. Come in, Ratchet. I just located a pair of Magna boots. Returning to your position now.
Awesome. I always wanted a pair of Magna boots. Good work, pal. See you in a bit.
Too puny to wear the Magna boots himself, Clank returned them to Ratchet.
Which planet should we go to?
We must learn what Nefarious is up to on planet Gaspar.